Hey guys, it's boy Johan and welcome back to my channel Fatso, and I hope you guys are doing great. So in today's video we have this Duopods F30 by Mivi. So this is my third product by Mivi. The first product was Mivi Duopods M20, which was really good, small, tiny, compact earbud for rupees 600 right now. It's running at 600 or 700. So if you want that earbud under that price, buy that. And if you want a different version of earbuds from Mivi, then this would be the best one. Second one was the wired earphones by Mivi, that is the Rock and Roll A5, which was under 200, which was at 200 rupees. So if you're buying earphones, wired earphones under 300 rupees and you're expecting bass, trebles, highs and mids, never buy that. Buy earphones above 400 if you want those kinds of qualities and all. So even then, wired earphones works well under 200 or 300, but still, if you're expecting those things, nah, buy above 400. So in this today's video, we'll talk about this product, we'll unbox the product, we'll talk about the features, I'll talk about my first time experience using this product, and also the positive and negative things about this product. So without wasting any further guys, let's get started. Okay guys, so this is how it looks. At the front, the branding and the earbuds looks in this way. Duopods F30, some features written over here, and at this side and at the other side, this is made in India. Fan of products which are made in India, then Mivi is the right one. So at the back, some details written over here, features and all. Pause it if you want to read these features. And at the center over here, you could see the original MRP for 3000. I don't know who will buy it for the original price. So price is for 3000, but I bought this product for 800. So let's quickly unbox the product. I'll show you how the product looks. So some papers, please Mivi, don't waste papers, be eco-friendly. And some user manual. This is the capsule or charging case, whatever you call, by Mivi. Let's keep this aside, and inside the box there's nothing, and you get some extra ear tips and normal charging cable, Type-C cable. So the first impression, made out of plastic. At the back you can see the USB Type-C port where you can charge it. Charging capsule or charging box is made up of plastic. The earbuds looks in this way. When you open this thing up, this is how it looks. You have the stem and those indicators blinking over there, and Mivi branding written over here as well. This is how it looks, earbuds. So first impression is that the capsule is a bit plastic, and this hinges, see, later on stages will get loosed, I guess. There will be a problem while you use a lot, so I feel this is very plastic and not very secure. But looking over here, you get the charging indicator over here, as you can see, charging light over here as well, and the connectivity is very fast. Even if you use M20, it's very fast connecting, so there's no problem on connecting the earbuds. So now let's talk about the comfort on wearing this earbuds. Let's talk about the sound quality of this earbuds. Sound quality not that great. No bass, no treble, no highs and mids, no proper. Like if you use your speakers and if you catch it tightly, those speakers, there will be a flat sound. It's in that way. So the sound quality is bit okayish. For a first time user using a TWS, he will feel good, but for me using multiple earbuds, I don't feel that great. So the sound quality is a bit okayish. Talking about the battery life is very good. It stays around 4.5 hours, and the charging is very quick, fast, and it takes around 20 minutes to fully charge the capsule. So charging this earbuds, it's very good, very fast. So now let's talk about the pros and cons of this earbud. Let's talk about the positive side first. So battery backup is very good, build quality of bud is good, and the third point would be pairing is very fast and very quick, so there's no issue on pairing as well. These are the positive things that I really liked about this Mivi. Now let's talk about the negative points. Those are the cons which I really didn't like. The first and major thing is that the case build quality. The case is literally plastic and it's like wiggles a lot, so that's the major issue I felt. The second thing about is the sound quality. Sound quality is like very medium, very okayish type, so not that great. See, whenever I talk about the Bluetooth earphones or Bluetooth headset, never use it for gaming. I feel like never and ever. Not only this, every earbuds, people talk about Bluetooth earphones for gaming, but it's really not recommendable for using for gaming, because there's a lot of lagginess while you play games. So not recommending you guys to play games on any kind of Bluetooth devices. So yeah, these are the negative points which I really felt after using this earbuds. And one more thing guys, whatever I have reviewed till now in this channel, all the products are for my personal use. After using those products, I'm sharing my experience. I'm not faking it. I'm using it for my personal use. I should tell you a proper way, and that's the reason why I'm giving you a right information. After watching this video, you should have that confidence that I need this product. So in that way, I'm trying to give you those kind of reviews. So at last, if you are a person who really likes true wireless stereo earphones, and if you want to try it for first time, so this is for you, Mivi Duopods F30. If you consider Mivi Duopods M20 and F30, I'll go for M20, and even the sound quality was really good. So when you compare with this and that, I'll pick M20. So that's all for today's video guys. I hope you like this. Please make sure you to subscribe to my channel. It really motivates me to make more videos for you guys. So please do subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, do comment down below if you have any queries, and I see you in my next video guys. Until then, bye bye.